Welcome, my dear 6th grade students. I'm Mr. Ahmed Magdy, your math teacher. Our lesson today is the fourth lesson of the sixth unit of the 6th grade curriculum for the academic year 2024-2025. This unit talks about data distributions, and today we will talk about the 5-number summary of a data set and how to create the box plot for data set and how to find all informations for any dataset from its box plot. So let's go. The first thing about our lesson today is what is the meaning of median. The median here is the median value in a set of values after arranging it ascendingly such that the number of values which are less than it is equal to the number of values which are greater than it. Okay, again, the median is the median value of any set of values. We arrange it first, and after arranging it, we will search about, or we will search for the number that it's in the middle, or the value that is in the middle, and all values less than this number is equal to the number of values which are greater than that number. So if we want to find the median of any set of values, what can we do? First, we arrange the values ascendingly. And after arranging it, we have two options. The first one is if the number of values is odd, like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Or the second option, if the number of values is even, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on. Okay? So, for the first option, if the number of values is odd, then the median is the value lying in the middle exactly. Like, if we have 5 numbers like this, we arrange them ascendingly first, and after that, we will find that the number is in the middle, that is the median of these values. So, I have 24, 42, 23, 17, 30, and 20. And after arranging them, we will find 17, 20, 23, 30, and 42. So the number that is in the middle will be 23. So the median is 23. Okay? But if the number of values is even, like 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on, then the median will be the sum of the two middle values divided by 2. So we will add them together first, and after that we will divide by 2. So if I have values like these, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. We arrange them ascendingly first. So I have 13, 13, 21, 23, 24, 27. We have 6 values, so we will take the two numbers that is in the middle, like 21 and 23, and we will add them together. After that, we will divide them by 2, so we will get the median will be 22. Okay, so if the number of values is odd, we have one value. But if the number of values is even, we have 2 values. And after getting the 2 values, we will add them together. And after that, we will divide them by 2. Okay, so if we have an example like this, he wants me to find the median, and after that, to write it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So the median will be the number in the middle. So I have 3. Okay, so I can say median equals 3. Okay, number 2, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. So I will take the two numbers that is in the middle. I have 3 and 3. And after that, I will say the median here will be the two numbers. I will add them together like this, 3 plus 3, and after that I will divide by 2. So it will be 3 plus 3 equals 6, divided 2 equals 3, so the median is 3. The third one here, I have 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 7. I have 6 values, so I will take the two numbers that is in the middle, so it will be 2 and 3. So I can say here median equals 2 plus 3 over 2. 2 plus 3 equals 5, but 5 over 2 it can be. So I will say 5 over 2 is a decimal number. I will take 4 and I will leave 1. So 4 over 2 equals 2 and 1 over 2 is 1/2. So the median will be 2 and 1/2, or I can say it will be 2.5. Okay, so this is the definition of the median. The next thing about our lesson today is two definitions. The first one is the lower quartile and the second one is the upper quartile. What is the meaning of this? The lower quartile, or I can say that it's the first quartile or Q1. Here is the middle value of the lower half of the set of values. Listen, the middle value of the lower half of set of values. So we will cut the set of values into two halves, the lower one and the upper one. So the middle value of the lower half is called the lower quartile, and the middle value of the upper half is the upper quartile or the third quartile. So if I have a group of sets like this, I want to find the lower quartile and the upper quartile for this set of values. First, I will arrange them ascendingly from the least one to the biggest one. Okay, then I will find the median of all values. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 7, 8, 12, 13. The minimum number here is 1 and the maximum number here is 13. Okay, so the median here, first we will count them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number of values is even. So I will take the two numbers in the middle. I have 6 and 7. I will add them together. So it will be 6.5. 6 plus 7 over 2 equals 6.5. And this is the median. So we can say we will cut we will cut the set of values into two halves like this. This is the lower half and this is the upper half. Okay, so here I have 5 values and here I have 5 values. So I will consider that this is a new set of values and this is a new set of values. Okay, so I will find the median of this set of values and I will find the median of this set of values. So here the median will be 3 because it's the value that is in the middle. Okay, so I have 3 is the median of the first half and 8 here is in the middle too. So I have 8 is the median of the upper half. So I can say 3 here is the Q1 or the first quartile or the lower quartile. So I can say 3 is the Q1 here and 8 is the Q3 or the third quartile or the upper quartile. So I have 5 numbers. The first one is the minimum value. The second one here is the Q1 or the lower quartile. The third number is the median. And the fourth one is the quartile 3 or upper quartile, and the last one is the maximum value. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Every set of values have 5 numbers, and for these we can call it the 5 number summary. So if I wanted to draw a box plot for any set of values, first we will take these steps. The first one here is arrange the data in ascending order from the first or the least one to the biggest one. So I have 2, 16, 14, 3, 6, 8, 10, 13, 9 to 11. So after arranging them, we will have 2, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16. After that, we will find the median, the lower quartile, the upper quartile, and the maximum value and the minimum value. Here, the maximum value and the minimum value here is 2 and 16. So I have 2 and 16 is the the minimum value and the maximum value. First, we will find the median. So I have 9. So I will cut the two numbers or the values here into two groups. So this is the first group and this is the second group. This is the first group and this is the second group. Okay, so the first group here, its median is 3 because 3 is in the middle. And here, the lower half or the upper half here, its median is 13. So the lower quartile is 3 and the upper quartile is 13. After that, we'll draw the number line that will include the smallest number and the largest number. So the smallest number here is 2 and the biggest number or the largest number is 16. So I will start with 2 and end with 16. Okay, after that we will draw 3 lines. Every line for a number of the 3 numbers: the lower quartile, the median, and the third quartile or the upper quartile. So I will draw a line at 3 and I will draw another line at 9. So here I have 3, here I have 9, and here I have 13. Okay, and after that I will join the lines to form a box like that. Okay, and after that we will draw a line from the minimum value, here it's 2, to the left side of the box right here, and I will draw a line from the right side of the box right here to the maximum value 16 right here, and with that we draw the box plots. Okay, so we have 5 numbers: the minimum value and the first quartile, the median, and the third quartile, and the maximum value. Okay, so we have the 5 number summary of the box plot. The first point here is the minimum number. The second line or the first line here is the first quartile or the lower quartile. The second line here is the median. The third line here is the third quartile, and the last point here is the maximum value. So if we have the box plot drawn in front of us, we can get the 5 number summary for any data set. Okay, so if we have an example like this, I wanted to draw the box plot for this data set. So what can I do? First, we will get the 5 number summary: the minimum value Q1, the maximum value, the median, and the third quartile. So first, we want to arrange them to get these numbers. So what is the least number here? I have 53, 55, 49, 51, 54, 52, 53, 60, and 57. So I think the minimum value here is 49. So I will write 49 first. 50 is not available. We have 51. Okay. Next, I have 52, 53, 53 again, 54, 55, 57, 60, and this is the maximum value. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are right. Okay. So first, we want to find the maximum and the minimum value. The minimum one here is 49. So I will write 49 as the minimum value. And the maximum value we have 60. So I will write 60 as the maximum value. Okay. The median here, that is the number that is in the middle. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 53 is in the middle. So I have 53 is the median. So after that, we will cut to make two groups like that. So this is the first group and this is the second group. Okay. So the first group, we want to find the median. So I have two values in the middle. I have 51 and 52. So 51 plus 52 over 2 equals 51.5. And this is the median, or the median of the lower half, or Q1. So Q1 is 51.5. In the upper quartile, I have 54, 55, 57, 60. So I have two numbers in the middle. I have 55 and 57. So Q3, or the third quartile, equals 55 plus 57 over 2. 55 plus 57 over 2, I think it's equal to 56. So the upper quartile, or Q3, is 56. Okay, so I have the minimum value here is 49 and the maximum value here is 60. So in the number line, on the number line, we will start with 49 and we will end with 60. So I have 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, and 62. Okay, so the minimum number is 49. So I will draw a point at 49. And the maximum value here is 60. So I will draw a point at 60. Okay. After that, I have Q1 equals 51.5. So it's between 51 and 52. So it will be like right here. Okay. So this is the first line. And the median is 53. So I will stop at 53 and draw another line like that. Okay. And the upper quartile, or Q3, is 56. So I will stop at 56 and draw another line. After that, we will connect them together like that. So I have, this is the first line, this is the second line. So we draw the box. After that, we connect them with the 2 points of the maximum and minimum value like that. So with that, we draw the box plot for a data set. This is the minimum value. This is the maximum value. This is the Q1 This is Q1, this is the median, this is Q3, and in some cases we can call median here is Q2 or the second quartile. Okay, so if you saw Q2 in any box plot, you can consider it as the median of the data set. Okay, let's draw another one. I have 5, 1, 6, 9, 4, 3, 8, and we cannot solve any problem without arranging the dataset ascendingly. So the minimum value here is 1. Next I have 3. Next I have 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so where is the minimum value? I think it's 1. The maximum value is 9. The median, that the number is in the middle. I have 5. I have 2 groups. This is the first group and this is the second group. Okay, the median of the first group or the first half or the lower half is 3. So I have Q1 equals 3. And the median of the second group or the upper half here is 8. So I have Q3 equals 8. Okay, after that we can draw the box plot. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Okay, the first number, or maybe we can call the minimum value here, is 1. So I will stop here. And the maximum value here is 9. So I will stop here. This is the minimum number and this is the maximum number. Okay, next I have Q3 median and Q1, Q2, Q3, or Q1 median and Q3. Q1 here is 3. So I will stop at 3 and draw a line like that. Okay, next I have median equals 5. So I will stop at 5 and draw another line. Next I have Q3 equals 8. So I will stop at 8 and draw another line like that. After all of these, we connect them together like that. Okay, so we have the box right here. After that, we connect them with the 2 points of the minimum value and the maximum value like that. So we have the box plot in front of us. Let's try another one. I have 11, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 7, 9, 5, 4, 6. So let's arrange them first. I have 1, 2, 2 again, 3, 4, 4 again, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 11. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are right. Okay, where is the minimum value? I think it's 1. So I can say minimum equals 1. Where is the maximum value? I think it's 11. So I can say maximum value is 11. Okay, where is the median? I have 11 values. Okay, so we will find the number that is in the middle. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think it's the 5th or the 6th value. So I have 4. 4 is in the middle. I have 5 before and 5 after. Okay, so this is the median. So the median here is 4. Next, we'll cut them into 2 groups. So I have, this is the first group and this is the second group. So the first group here, its median, I think it's 2 right here. So the Q1 here is 2. Okay, The second group, or the upper half, its median is 7. So I have here 7. So Q3 is 7. Okay, so let's draw them on the number line. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the maximum value. Okay, so I have a point at 1 because it's the minimum value. Next, I have Q1 equals 2. So I will draw a line at Q1 or 2. Okay. Next, I have the median equals 4. So I will draw another line at 4. Next, I have Q3 equals 7. So I will draw another line at 7. And the maximum value is 11. So I will draw a point at 11. After that, we connect them together with lines. So I have the box plot like that. Okay. And we have the two lines between the minimum, the maximum, and the box plot. So we have the box plot right here. Okay. Next, we have the box plot drawn in front of us, and we wanted to find the numbers or the 5 numbers summary for the data set. Okay, so the first one here, I have the first point here, and this is the maximum one, the maximum number. The first line right here, and this is Q1. The second line right here, and this is the median. And this is the third line of Q3. And this is the minimum. I'm sorry. This is the maximum number. Okay. So the minimum value equals what? I think it's between 15 and 17. So the number in the middle is 16. So I have 16 is the minimum number. The maximum value, I think it's between 27 and 29. So it's 28. So I think the maximum is 28. The median here, I think it's 23. So I will say the median is 23. The lower quartile, or Q1, I think it's between 17 and 19, so it's 18. So I will write 18. The upper quartile, or Q3, I think it's between 25 and 27, so it's 26. So the upper quartile is 26. Let's try another one. I have here 30. I have 25, 30, 35, and so on until 85. Okay. So here I have the minimum number, and here I have the maximum number. Okay, so if we draw a line like this, I think it's not 30, it's just after 30. So the distance here between 30 and 35 is divided into 5 parts. So it's 31, 32, 33, 34. So I think the minimum number here is 31. So I can say the minimum value here is 31. Okay. Next, I have the maximum value. The maximum value, I think it's directly equals 80. Okay, so I think the maximum value is 80. The median, it's right here. So let's see. The line is drawn above 65. So the median here is 65. Next, I have the upper quartile. It's Q1. So the Q1 here, I think it's 45. So it's 45. And Q3, I think here is 75, the third line here. So I think it's 75. Okay. Listen to these notes. The first one here, we can say that the median is called as the second quartile, like I said before, or we can call it Q2. The two segments or the two lines from the minimum value to Q1 and from Q3 to the maximum value are sometimes called whiskers. Okay. The box plot does not display the individual data as in the dot plot, but it shows where quarter or half or 3/4 of the data is located. Okay, and the vertical lines here in the box plot divides data into 4 equal sections, and each sections represent 1/4 of the data approximately, not perfectly. It's approximately. So if we have the box plot like this is the first quarter, this is the second quarter, this is the third quarter, and this is the fourth quarter. So we said that it's approximately, not perfectly. Okay, so we have 4 equal sections of data, and each section approximately equals 1/4 or 1/4 of the data. Okay. Next, I want to find the 5-number summary for this box plot. So this is the maximum one. This is the minimum one. This is the minimum one. This is the maximum one. And I have Q1. And I have the median. And the third quartile, or the Q3. Okay. So the maximum is 60. So I can say the maximum here, or the minimum, is 16. Next, I have Q1 equals 20. So Q1, or the lower quartile, is 20. The median here is 22. So the median here is 22. Next, I have Q3. It's between 26 and 28. So I think it's 27. So the upper quartile is 27. And the maximum is between 30 and 32. So I think it's a 31. So I said the maximum number is 31. Next, we want to find the minimum value of this dataset. So first, we arrange them ascendingly. So I have 2, next I have 3, next I have 6, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the minimum value here is 2. Next, from the box plot, the median is what? I think it's the line here in the middle. So the line is above 13. So the median here is 13. In the box plot, the upper quartile equals what? Here, the upper quartile is the third line right here. So the third line is above 40. So the upper quartile is 40. Next, I wanted to find the median of this dataset. First, I will arrange them ascendingly. So the minimum one is 0. Next, I have 3, 8, 9, and 12. So the median here is that the number is in the middle. So I have 8. So the median is 8. Next, I have 5, 8, 7, 3, and I want to find the median. So I will arrange them first. So I have 3, 5, 7, 8. And the number in the middle is 5 and 7. So I can say the median equals the 5 plus 7 equal over 2. This is the median. And 5 plus 7 equals 12, and 12 over 2 equals 6. So the median is 6. Next, we have some multi-choice questions. The first one here, he said the median for the dataset 72, 64, 79, 63, 60, 75, 70, 61, 77 is what? So we need to arrange them first. So the minimum number here is 60. So we will write 60 first. Next, I have 61. Next, I have 63, 64, and we have, so this and this and this and this. Next, I have 70 and 72, 75, 77, and 79. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are right. So we wanted to find the median. So where is the number that is in the middle? I have 9, so I think the median will be the fifth one. So I have 4 before and 4 after. So 70 here is the number that is in the middle. So I think the median will be 70. Next, I wanted to find the median again. So we will arrange them first. The minimum one here is 4. Next, I have 7. Next, I have 10. Next, I have 14. Next, I have 18. And the last one is 21. Okay, so I have 6 values. So we will take the two numbers that in the middle. So I have 10 and 14. I will add them together. So I have 14 plus 10, and I will divide them over 2. So it will be 12, because it's 24 divided by 2 equals 12. So the median is 12. Next, I want to find the first quartile of these values. We need to arrange them first. So I have 7. This is a minimum one. Next, I have 14. Next, I have 21, 28. So this and this and this and this. We have 35, 42, and 63. And we want the first quartile. So where is the median? I think it's 28. So we will cut them into 2 groups. This is the first one, and this is the second one. The first quartile is in the first group. So I have 7, 14, and 21. The median, or the number, is in the middle. I have 14. So the first quartile is 14. So choice C. From the box plot, we have the minimum one here is 9. The first quartile is 10. The second quartile, or the median, is 13. The third quartile, or Q3, is 16. And the maximum one is 17. So I want the median. So the median is 13. Next, from the opposite box plot, we want the upper quartile. So I think it's Q3. Okay, so the minimum number here is 11. The first quartile, or Q1, is 13. Next, I have the median equals 16. Next, I have Q3 equals 18. And the maximum number is 19. So I want Q3 is 18. Next, from the box plot, the maximum data point is what? this is the minimum one, and this is the maximum one. So I think the maximum one is 18. So I will choose D. Here I want the box from the box plot, the lower quarter. Lower quarter means I want Q1. Q1 is the first line of the box. So the first line here is above for 4. So I think Q1 is 4. The last one with us today, I have this box plot and I want the difference between Q3 and Q1. So where is Q3 and where is Q1? First, this is the minimum one, so I have 10. This is the Q1, so I have 12. So Q1 here is 12. The median here is 14. The third quarter is 18, so I have Q3 is 18. And the maximum number here is 20. So I think we will subtract. So 18 minus 12 equals 6. So I will choose A. So with that, we have finished our video today, in which we talked about the 5-number summary of a dataset, how to create the box plot for a dataset, and how to find all information for any dataset from its box plot. I hope that you understand our lesson today, and I hope that you solve many exercises in this lesson so that we can understand more. So if you have any questions, send them in the comments. Don't forget to like and share the video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. See you soon in a new video and a new lesson. I'm Mr. Ahmed Magdy, your math teacher. Goodbye.